Namaskar, Adab, Shubh Sandhya, Satsjakal, Vannakam to one and all. My name is Arya from Senior Pandas.
A very good evening to all of you present here today. My name is Dakshnil Verma from Senior Elephants.
A very special welcome to parents, grandparents, beloved lunch eater ma'am, teachers and friends gathered here.
We are so delighted to have with us today. Without further ado, let's unfold the magic of our annual day. The theme for tonight, Aisa Deshe Mera, shall reflect the folk dance of our Hindustan.
Celebrating our rich culture and diversity of our home, that is India. Thank you.
Let's get started. Are you ready? Stand there in that white square.
Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, from down south, let's go to east, to Assam, the land of lush green tea gardens, silk and rhinos. Assamali Jablai Saju Hawk means get ready to go to Assam. Now, let's welcome our E.J. Robbins. Thank you.